Guys, welcome to our channel. Here we have Lexus 2012 model. That came me for a lot of work. We have the door here, the glass are not winding up. So that was what we are trying to do today. So I have my star screwdriver here. We start by using it. You take this out. It's like a clip. You push it, take it out. Then you lose. That's what this place is. So most of the things that causes this thing, number one, water. When water enters the panel while washing the car, most especially the master switch. Number two, sometimes when you remove your battery head, you put it back. The other glasses, the three doors will not wind from the master switch, except you have to reset it. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So let's check on the engine. You have to move the speaker to get to the socket. Okay, so I've checked everywhere and I discovered that the control switch is working fine. And if you can see, bring the camera real quick. This socket is not well plugged. You see it's not well plugged. So that's where the fault of the glass, the window, is coming from. So I'll fix it back and try to take the glass for place. It's working now. So definitely the fault is from the socket. It was not well plugged. The socket was not well plugged. Let's take the other ones. The other ones are not working. As you can see, they are not working. That one is not an issue. Let me couple these door mats, then I'll show you a little trick on how to reset your Lexus windows. And sometimes when coupling this door mats, a lot of people make mistake. There are two cables here. One is for the central lock, one is for opening of the door. See this one? This one with the green clip. This is the one for opening of the door, and this white one is for the central lock. Some people will sometimes they switch it. So when after coupling it, you notice that the door is not opening. The green one should be down. That's for the opening of the door. Then the white one is up for the central lock. Driver side door, as you can see, is winding up and down now, but it's not doing automatic, of which all the glass are automatic. It's supposed to be going up by itself. After I put it like this, it's supposed to go up by itself. So let me show you one trick now. I'll have to wind it down, wind it up, then watch, hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wind it down again. Still hold it for 4 seconds. 1, 4. Wind it up. One by itself. You can see the other ones are not working. Let's go to the other door. Let's go to the front door. let's go to the master class. As you can see, it's winding from here now. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you.